The purpose of this video is to inform users about the T-Series Internal Data Acquisition System, DAS. The Internal Data Acquisition System is important because it can record helpful data for troubleshooting or diagnostics when the instrument gives abnormal values. There are two trigger types for the data logger, periodic and conditional. This video will focus on periodic trigger. The periodic trigger is a timer-based trigger that is used to log data at a specific time interval. Periodic trigger requires an interval that is set to number of minutes and a start time that is set to date and time. Configure the data logger via the Home, Setup, Data Logging menu. Press the Add button to create a new log. Press the Name field and use the keyboard pop-up to label the new log. Press the Description field and use the keyboard pop-up to describe the log. Be sure to leave the Enabled box checked to allow data capture of this log. If the Enabled box is unchecked, data capture will be suspended. Press the Log Tags field to select the parameters to be tracked. Here I am going to track sample flow, sample pressure, and sample concentration. Then select Periodic Trigger Type. Press the Interval field and use the keypad pop-up to edit the amount of time between capturing data. Press the Start Time field and use the time and data pop-ups to select the time to start capturing data. Press Done. Then we can use Edit or Delete to make changes to created logs. This is how to configure the T-Series internal DAS. We recommend setting up a high-res channel of all the front panel parameters at a 1-minute data interval. For more information about periodic trigger and recommended log tags, please refer to the NumaView Software addendum for analyzers or contact TAPI's technical support team.